earth? I don't think Rosie realises you can't walk on water.
Oh no.
Yeah, you can't catch a Lottie.
Oh!
No, she's not.
Drink it. Lottie!
Oh, look. Oh.
No!
Oh no. Don't drink it. Oh no, Rosie's right on the edge. Oh no, Rosie's falling in.
Come on, Bill.
She'll roll if you leave her there. No. Come on, Rosie, stand up. Don't swear.
Oh, come on, you're too heavy now. Go on, over there.
Come on, Rosie, stop being silly.
Come on. Rosie. Come on.
Why won't she stand up? She was walking around a minute ago. Come on, Rosie, stand up.
Rosie, come on.
I think she's just playing silly buggers. Come on, you terrible twins. Rosie, come on. Wait, get up, you silly girl. Come on. Rosie. Rosie, come on. Get up, stop being silly. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh. Rosie, get up. Prod us, see if you get up.
Come on down. I know you're alright, aren't you? Come on. Come. Too heavy now, aren't
you? Come on, Rosie Posy. That's better. That's it. Oh, I don't know how they don't fall in that pond.
No.
They went straight in it before. Swam across the middle. Oh no, she's after that thing, that blooming squirty thing. Oh. They don't know that one's not very deep, do they?
Oh, you've got to be eating fish now. Oh no!
No, they're after the fish. Oh no. Come on, you terrible twins. Oi. Grass is always greener, isn't it, eh? Come on, you pair. Come on, Elsa.